Diwali is around the corner, so here are some Diwali special DIYs. For this first idea, you will need a newspaper. Roll it using a pencil. We want our roll to be loose, so don't roll it tightly. Now we'll secure the end using glue. After that, squeeze the roll nicely. Once that's done, start rolling it as you can see. Next, make another newspaper piece, attach it using glue and start rolling it. Make sure to roll it tightly. Secure the end using glue. Then paint it with your favorite color. Allow it to dry. Then cut a petal-like shape from cardboard. Stick the newspaper circle on it and paint it using the same color. Allow it to dry. Once dried, decorate it. After that, decorate your tea light using some pearls. Keep it on our DIY and a beautiful stand is ready. Moving on to our next DIY, take an A4 size sheet of paper. Cut 8 strips 1 cm wide. Once that is done, place all the strips in a star-like shape as you can see. Keep gluing them. It will look like this. Next, cut a circle. I went with radius 3.6 cm. Glue it in the center of the star. Next, cut another circle of the same radius but from a different color. Cut the circle from the middle to form a semicircle. Do the same with 2 more circles. In total, we will get 6 semicircles. Fold each semicircle from the middle, cut apart from the bottom. After that, keep sticking them using glue. After all the semicircles are glued, apply glue on the open part and fold as shown. Next, cut a flame from a yellow sheet, fold a bit from the bottom and stick it on the diya. Glue the 3D paper diya on the star and bring each strip upwards and keep gluing them as you can see. Decorate using some beautiful stones and then attach a ribbon in order to hang it. And a beautiful wall hanging with a 3D paper diya is ready. For the next DIY, take a diya. I would suggest using a big size diya and start painting it with some white acrylic paint. Now take Potion Blue shade and apply it at the top part of the diya. If you don't have the exact same shade, you can use any color which looks similar to this. Next, take Cobalt Blue hue and paint it under Potion Blue. Once that is done, blend these two colors nicely. Next, apply a little white paint at the bottom and blend it nicely. Now we will again take a dark blue, which means Potion Blue. Spread it nicely. Next, mix green paint, white paint and blue paint in order to create a beautiful shade. Now once again take the Cobalt Blue hue color, which is the normal blue. Spread it nicely. Blend these two colors nicely using some white paint. Now take the shade which we created and paint at both the sides. paint a little white at the bottom. Next we are going to take a color which is similar to yellow and paint the sand using it. Once that is done, using some white paint, paint some clouds. Now smooth this layer nicely. So you can notice I added one small cloud, and now with some white paint we are going to paint waves. Blend the paint. So I just changed the shape of clouds. Next take sap green paint and make a line as shown. Now paint some leaves around it. Add minor details using a thin brush. Now paint the diya blue from outside and a beautiful diya is ready. I am sure that these elegant DIYs are going to make your Diwali more special. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.